It was super important to me that when it comes to deep cleaning our homes, we had the perfect carpet washer in the range, which is going to refresh and deep clean those carpets, as well as the stairs and upholstery. This carpet washer has an amazing vibrating bristle bar that gets deep into those carpet fibres and releases that dirt and debris. The extension hose on this model is absolutely brilliant. It allows you to deep clean your stairs and your sofas and even take it outside and do the car. This machine has two large water tanks, one for clean water and one for dirty water, allowing you to clean your home for longer. With its extra long 6-metre power cord, it saves you time from looking for other plug sockets. Accessories included in this one are your cleaning solution, as well as an amazing upholstery cleaning tool. When deep cleaning your home for those seasonal cleans like your spring clean and your autumnal clean, this is a must-have product. This carpet washer is going to bring your carpets and your upholstery back to life. So the 9 pieces in this range have been personally selected by me. They've all got an amazing use within the home. They're all different, they're slightly unique to what is currently on the market. They're bright, they're beautiful, and we are going to make cleaning so much fun with these 9 fabulous pieces.